In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage inventory in Shopify. By the end, you'll know how to sign in, review what's in stock, update your counts, and hide items that are sold out so your store stays clean and accurate. Start by opening your browser and going to shopify.com. Click login at the top, then sign in using your email or one of the available sign-in options. If you're prompted for verification, complete that to proceed. Once you're in, you'll land on your Shopify admin. If you manage more than one store, make sure you're in the correct one before moving on. On the left-hand side, click Products. This is your central hub for everything you sell. Now, click Inventory. Here, Shopify gives you a clear snapshot of stock levels. You'll see which products are in stock, what's running low, and what's sold out, often with indicators or filters to help you spot issues quickly. If your products have variants, like sizes or colors, you'll see a separate line for each variant. You might also see locations if you stock items in more than one place, such as a warehouse and a retail shop. Let's update your numbers. In the inventory table, find the product or variant you want to adjust. You can usually click directly into the Available or On-Hand field to make changes. Available typically reflects what can be sold right now, while On-Hand is the physical count before accounting for open orders. If you're receiving new stock, increase the relevant number. If you found a discrepancy after a count, correct it here. Enter the accurate quantity, confirm any location if you manage multiple, and save your changes if a Save button appears. Aim to update this promptly after receiving or counting stock to keep your storefront and reports in sync. Next, head back to the main products page. It's a good idea to hide items that are completely sold out so customers aren't browsing unavailable products. Find any out-of-stock items, tick the checkbox beside the product or variant you want to remove from your storefront, then click the three-dot icon. Choose Unlist Products. This action removes the item from your sales channel, such as your online store, without deleting it from your catalog. You can always list it again when inventory is replenished. That's it. You've logged in, reviewed your inventory, updated counts, and unlisted sold out items. Repeat this process regularly to keep your stock accurate and your store experience smooth.